Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the brand new Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in ZR Grey. Let's start our journey from the front where we see the pixel LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading down the side you'll see contrasting features complementary of the black exterior pack as it sits on these 21-inch split spoke gloss black alloy wheels. To the rear you'll see the rear privacy glass which will ensure contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a week's worth of luggage, the week's shopping or a canine companion. Rear passengers will be impressed with their power recline rear seats in their ebony Windsor leather. And glimpsing into your cockpit reveals your 20-way front seats with driver memory, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a closer look at your leather-heated multifunctional steering wheel, complimentary of the extended leather upgrade, in front of you you'll see your fully digital display which can harbour key features such as your speed. Moving over to your PIVI Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and can provide great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your rear reversing camera and your front and rear parking aid, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You will also be able to access your climate control systems as well as heated seat functions, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. And finalising our journey, we look up to see easy to access controls for our fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will engross both occupants and the vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the brand new Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which is available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.